Hey there, is tracking business expenses eating up your valuable time? Tracking expenses in FreshBooks automates the process and keeps your books ready for tax time. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. You have two main methods. First, connect your business bank account or credit card in the Banking section. FreshBooks will import transactions automatically, and you can categorize them with a click. Second, manually log an expense by going to the Expenses tab, clicking New Expense, and uploading a receipt photo or PDF. You can assign expenses to a client or project for accurate job costing. My crucial pro tip: use the FreshBooks mobile app to snap receipt photos on the go. The moment you get a receipt, open the app, tap Capture Receipt, and take a picture. It uses OCR to read the details and creates a draft expense for you to review and categorize later. No more lost receipts. That's how you turn expense tracking from a chore into a seamless habit. Do you track expenses daily, weekly, or just when you remember? Share your routine below. For more guides that save you time on admin, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.